I'm Simon Callum and this is Corey Ryan and we're the Sons of Eden. We were established in 2000 after we learnt and refined our craft in the vineyards and cellars of Eden Valley.
Combined, Simon and I have over 50 years vintage experience in the Barossa Valley. Sons of Eden specialises in varieties that Barossa grows to a world standard, such as Shiraz, Mourvedre and Grenache from the Barossa Valley, and Riesling, Shiraz and Cabernet Sauvignon from Eden Valley.
Welcome to our backyard.
Welcome.